I take this average of these 5 terms. So can I say the average will be 4? Now let's say if I change one of the terms and I take the term as 5. And let's say I break this term as 4 plus 1. Can I say if I take these 5 terms, my average will be 4 only, but I have this 1 extra. So this 1 extra 1 will be divided into 5 values. So can I say my new mean will be 4.2? So using this concept, we can solve some of the inclusion-exclusion problems. So let us now come straight into the inclusion-exclusion problem. So first problem, if I write, let's say the average age of 19 students is, let's say, 24 years. And there is one teacher, let's say there is one teacher whose age is 30 years. Whose age is 30 years. And I want to find the overall average age. Now we can have formulas, but if we go simply by this concept which I have just told, we can easily assume that, let's say, these 19 students, if the average is 24, let's say all the students are 24. All the 19 students are 24. Can I say that if the teacher is also 24, there will be no change in the average? The average will be same because all the values are 24. Can I split the teacher as 24 plus 6? So can I say if I take this 24 part, all these 20 people, the average will be 24. Now if this 6 is taken, can I say that in the average thing, it will be divided in all the people including the teacher. So can I say teacher including the teacher, we have 20 people now. So if all the people are 24, so the average is 24, and 6 if divided by 20, can I say this will give me 0.6 and 2 will give me 0.3. So can I say that my final answer will be 24.3? I can just easily find out without using any formula. So just extending this concept to one more question. Let's say if I have the average age of 19 students as 24 years, if one teacher joins, then the new average age becomes 30 years. What should be the age of the teacher? What should be the age of the teacher? So this question, now this is like that we are given the final age here, and the teacher's age or the new commodities age that is included, that we want to find out. Again, we'll go use the same concept. So can I say 19 student average is 24? Can I say all the students are 24? Now this teacher also, let's say first we keep at 24 only. Can I say that if it is 24, there will be no change in the overall average, it will remain 24? But if the overall becomes 30, can I say that all the values have to be raised till 30? So can I say all the values have to be increased by 6? Can I say that extra 6 must be coming from teacher only, because by adding teacher that average is increased? So can I say this teacher should be supplying that extra 6 to these 19 as well as to himself? So can I say this 6 he must be having 20 times extra, 19 times for the students and 1 time for him? So can I say that the teacher should be this much, which is 24 plus 120, and the teacher's age must be 144. So this way we can easily approach inclusion exclusion question. Now this part we did is inclusion. Let us just now come into exclusion. So let me take one example in exclusion also. So let's say I take this example that average age of 20 students is, let's say, 17 years. If one teacher left, we can say that average of 20 students and one teacher and one teacher is 17 years. If the teacher leaves, the average age goes down by 1 year. Find the age of teacher. So how to approach such kind of questions? So can I say here, so how to approach such kind of questions? So here the approach that we should follow must be, we should follow the inclusion approach only. So how to convert this thing which is right now about exclusion into inclusion? So first of all, what we will do, we will just exclude the teacher. So can I say, out of these total 21 people, means 20 student and 1 teacher, the average age is 17. If I remove the teacher, can I say I will be left with 20 students only? 20 students only, and the average age must be just going down by 1. So can I say that the average age must be for these 20 students must be 17 minus 1, which is 16 years. Now if the average age is going down by 1 year when the teacher is leaving, that means if the teacher joins back, the average age must increase by 1. By common sense we can say that. Now this is like we are converting this into the exclusion thing into inclusion. So what we are doing is, now we will add the teacher back. So if I add the teacher back into these 20 students, can I say that it has to increase by 1 year? Now what I will do, I will use the same concept, that I will stop the teacher. I will first take these 20 students as 16 only. All the 20 students are 16. Now teacher, I will stop at 16. Can I say if I stop him at 16, there will be no change in the new average? Definitely. Now but the thing is that if the teacher is leaving, the average is going down by 1. That means if the teacher is coming back, the average will be raised by 1. So the average should not be 16, it should be 17. Can I say, to make it 17, all the values have to be increased by 1? So how many times we need 1 extra? Can I say I will need 1 20 times and 1 time for the teacher himself? So can I say I need 1 21 times extra? So can I say my final answer must be 16 plus 21, that will be nothing but 37. So this is the basic concept. This was the basic concept that is called as inclusion and exclusion. This concept right now we had applied to just one teacher, either excluded or included. Now let us apply to a group of students. So let's say I take one example, that the average age of 19 students is 24 years, and the average age of 6 new students is 30 years. Now what is the overall average age? That we have to find out. So how to approach this question? Again we will do the same thing. First of all, we will take all the 19 students as 24. We will take all the 19 students as 24. And we will stop all the 6 students at 24 only. All the 6 students as 24 only. Can I say if I stop them at 24, the overall average age will be 24 only? Now how many times I have extra values? Can I say my average is 30? I can say the actual age was 30 for all of them. So can I say my extra 6 will be there how many times? 6 times. So can I say I have 36 extra? Now this 36 will be distributed among how many people? Can I say I had 19 students here and I had 6 new students, so it must be distributed among 25 students. So 25, if I divide, what should be the value? Can I say 25, if I make this into 4 and into 4 here, that will be much easier. So I will get in the upstairs, I will get 30 into 4 will be 120 and 6 into 4 will be 24. So can I say 144 will be the value? So 24 plus I have 144, and can I say my denominator will easily become 100. So can I say 24 plus 1.44, or my answer will be 25.44.